Ever wondered if you can use your DoorDash virtual card for purchases beyond food delivery, like at a gas station? While the DoorDash virtual card is primarily for Dashers, understanding its usage is key. In this guide, I'll clarify how to use the DoorDash virtual card, especially regarding gas stations. The DoorDash virtual card is typically issued to Dashers for making purchases on behalf of customers for specific orders. It's preloaded for the exact amount of the order and meant only for that specific transaction at the designated merchant. Therefore, it is not designed or intended for personal use, such as buying gas at a gas station. Attempting to use it for non-order related purchases will likely result in a decline, as the card is restricted to specific merchant categories and amounts. Finally, if you are a Dasher and encounter a situation where a customer's order includes a gas station purchase, which is rare, the app would usually guide you. Otherwise, assume the DoorDash virtual card is strictly for customer orders within the DoorDash platform. And there you have it. Understanding the DoorDash virtual card's intended use is important. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.